How to make solar roadways more cost-effective. Solar roads are difficult to build, yet simple in concept. Their roadways are paved with glass-covered solar panels that can withstand environmental pressures and car traffic. Let's move towards the key selling points of solar roadways. Solar-powered roads provide advantages. Highways receive free sunlight, therefore power is abundant and cheap. The CAP's ability to boost road illumination with solar roadways eliminated the need for extra grid electricity. Embedded electronics brought us a universe of opportunities for interacting with drivers without repainting roads. Weight sensors mounted to solar panels alert drivers about animals, wrecked automobiles, and loose pebbles. Sun highways might power electric car charging stations or charge the engines while they are driving. Reusable, durable sun roads use renewable energy to generate power, which is its main benefit. Reduce reliance on coal, oil, and fossil fuels. Production and maintenance costs. Solar energy's cost-effectiveness. Building and maintaining solar-powered highways is too expensive for most municipalities. Panel-making energy is compared to high-strength glass or solar panels. Asphalt requires more energy. Army and SAR support. Sun highways should supply electricity in an emergency. Solar energy is unlimited. Man-made energy sources were superfluous. Sun highways don't require developing underdeveloped, potentially environmentally sensitive places. Large-scale photovoltaic installation in the south and elsewhere may be contentious. How to make it more efficient. Prioritize energy conservation. Most solar installations measure building power use. Electric bills over a year can be used to calculate historical use. You can use a smaller solar system if you reduce your home's energy use. Request quotes. Permanent solar energy system. Local solar companies offer better deals than national ones. A solar gadget's price also depends on its parts. Utilize the solar tax credit. Installing a solar energy system may qualify for a federal tax credit. Even with solar highways' benefits and possibilities, the cost of building them is insane. Sun highways are doomed until the price drops. The early success of sun roads is encouraging.